Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this Python programming video short series, we are going to understand the dot format function in Python program. Okay, so let's just see a quick theory. Okay, so the dot format method is used to insert values into a string. Okay, so basically it's used out to just insert the values into the string. Okay, at a placeholder. So we'll see placeholders in the while we'll just perform the practical over the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so it's a part of string formatting and works in Python 3 plus. So it works with the Python 3 plus version. Okay, it's a part of string formatting. So by the use of dot format function, you can just insert the values into a string. Okay, let's just see the basic syntax of our dot formatting function, or I would say the method. Okay, so you can just use out the text, you can use the curly braces. So this is actually called the placeholder. Okay, so you can just use more text whatever you want, and at the end you can just use dot format and whatever the value you want. So Python replaces this curly braces with the value you give inside the format. Okay, let me just take you towards the Visual Studio Code. Here we are going to do the simple formatting. Let's say I'm going to have a name. Okay, let's say Kajal, and you want to just print it out by the help of dot format. So I'm just going to use the print function here. I'm going to use the hello. So here I'll just use the comma and I'll use the curly braces. Okay, so I want something to be written here, but I'll not write right now. Okay, I can just use out my dot format after the double quotation closing. We can just use the dot. Okay, format function, or I would say the method, right? And you can just pass your name. Simply what did we did here? So we have given our name. Okay, I want that hello, and I want the value of name to be appear here. So for that I have just given my curly braces, that means placeholder. Okay, the extra text whatever you want you can just type it out, and if you are going to run by the dot format passing out name, you can see that we got the value right of the name. I hope guys you understood the concept. Of course we'll see 2 to 3 more problems based on like this dot format method. Okay, so this is what the syntax. You can use the extra methods, you can use the placeholder, and at the end you can just use the dot format and you can pass the value, variable, expression, whatever you have, right? So yeah, thank you so much.